Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to make your character jump multiple times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever you like. So first go to the BP third person character and type in jump, and here in the character we have jump max count, so if we put it as a 2 we can go ahead and test it out. As you can see, we can jump twice. If we put it as 5 we can jump 5 times. And as you can see, you can make your character jump unlimited times. You can set even to 20. You can send him flying. It has no limits. So if you press space now, your character is literally flying. So that's it. Very quick tutorial, and I hope I helped you out, and see you in the next episode.